Hello everyone, it's wonderful to see you all again. Today I will show you how to display the minimum and maximum size range in single column of Report Creator in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. First, look for Report Creator for AutoCAD Plant 3D in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Report Creator, navigate to Projects and select the project.xml file of your project. In the report configuration, choose 3D parts from the drop-down menu. Then select either project data or drawing data according to your needs. Click the Edit button in the Report Configuration section. In the Report Configuration dialog, click the Edit Query button. In the Query Configuration dialog, select Plant 3D classes as the query type. Make sure all necessary piping components are listed in the Included Classes section. If any are missing, add them by selecting the available classes on the left and clicking the arrow to move them to the Included Classes section. Click OK to save your changes. Next, click the Edit Report Layout button. A Report Designer dialog box will pop up. Select No here. On the right side of the Report Designer, you will find the Field List palette. If the Field List palette is not visible, go to the View tab in the menu bar. In the ribbon of the View tab, locate Windows. Click the Windows drop-down and select Field List. This will show the Field List palettes. In the Field List palette, right-click on any property and select Add Calculated Field. After creating the calculated field, right-click on it and choose Edit Calculated Field from the menu. In the Calculated Field Collection Editor, go to Design and enter the desired name, such as Size Range. Click OK. Next, right-click on the calculated property and choose Edit Expression from the menu. Copy and paste the expression given in the description, which shows the minimum and maximum size ranges. Click OK. Select the newly created calculated field and drag it to the Report Designer where you want it. Alternatively, you can select the existing property and click the gear icon under Data Binding, click the drop-down, and select the newly created calculated property. Finally, click on the Preview tab to view the changes. Now, save and close the Report Designer. Here comes the tricky part. In Report Configuration, click the drop-down to change the report template. A dialog box will pop up asking, "Current report configuration has been modified. Do you want to save the changes?" Click Yes. Note: if you skip this step, your report settings will not be saved. Also remember that the report template files are located in the Program Data folder. Ensure you have the required permissions to read and write these files. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.